What's up, guys? So today I had a red day. Market gave me a couple opportunities to exit, but didn't execute it well. So let's start with ACAD. So ACAD bounced off of this moving average here. Actually, I thought it was going to run up and basically trade the trend. So I did enter small size here. It bounced. I didn't take any profits. On the way down, I decided to get out, see what it was going to do. It bounced off the moving average again. It went back in, and then basically got chopped up in this area. So I decided not to do this, not to touch ACAT. And good thing was I was using some pretty small size. So that was that. Let's see here. ESTC. So I was thinking this stock was going to be weak, but instead it bounced up. So usually what happens, especially on the first go around, is it would touch the sloping SMA, and then make a new low. This didn't happen, so I stopped out right away. If I didn't, this would continue to run against me. So that was my trade on ESTC. Again, it's pretty small size. Same with Etsy here. Etsy, I took it on the short side, 200 shares. It did drop. I didn't cover it. I was thinking this was going to be a weak stock. But when it showed sign of strength, I got out with a small profit. Home was kind of disappointing. I thought this was going to be a fallen angel. Popped up, went short. Small size, didn't really do anything. I got out some, and then I should have left it alone. Instead, I went in short again. It did pop, and then I got out here. I think I made a hotkey mistake or something. So there's an extra press of the button there. Omer, let's see, Omer here. So Omer, I thought this was going to do a reversal. Held this level pretty well. It was holding this level, did pop up. I took I think 500 shares or 200 shares, I'm not sure. It did pop up. I didn't get any out, thinking it was consolidated in this area and then go higher. Instead it dropped and then I got stopped out. Eventually it did actually hit the VWAP, so that was Omar. PII actually did pretty well on PII. So I saw I was holding this level, and the reason why I went in was because this was a previous day level. So it did break that and started to trend up. So I went in, added to my position, and then on the pop here, I got out at an even 94 because this was sloping down. I don't know if it would actually make it to VWAP, which is only a couple cents away. So I decided to just get out a nice even number. So I made money on that. And then RH just chopped me up. This stock was strong all day, no sign of reversals here. Because of the price of the stock, I took very small size, like 50 shares. Essentially, it never broke down. Every time I went short, it popped back up. So that was RH. SIG, I took a small size on SIG. Held this level, 1749. Seems like it was bouncing off of it. So I thought it was going to go up to 1856. I went long and then it dropped and then it got out. If I was watching this, I would have probably got back in at this level or maybe at this candlestick at 1011 here. Went long because it did trend all the way up to 1856 and then it broke down. So that was SIG. I saw so work, same thing. It bounced down, hit this level 2096. I was holding this level nicely, went in long, popped up, and then I got out here, just a bit above the VWAP. Small size, 200 shares, I think. And then workday. This is the only way I chickened out on. So I went in long. Looks like it was dropping because it was short all day. And I took it at this level, 159.86, went long, dropped, got out, and then went back in. And then when it didn't break this and it did a pullback, I got out. It did pull back to my original stop, so I would probably have been stopped out, but eventually it did get close to where I wanted to exit, which was the VWAP. So if I was doing this trade, I would probably have gotten out at 161, but that would have been cutting it close. That was close to market close. So, and then the trade that bugs me, because I had ample opportunity to get out of this trade. So basically what happened was when I saw it was near this level, I started to accumulate shares. It popped. I only got out some, and then it dropped on me. I thought this was a normal pullback, and that it was going to go up to VWAP. When it did this double top, I should have gotten out some more. That didn't happen, and I was thinking this was going to hold this level. It did pop back up. Third opportunity to get out. That didn't happen, and then the stock basically collapsed. It did get back up here, 107. Yet a fourth opportunity to get out, at least partial. I didn't do that, so yeah, I had 4 opportunities to get out at a profit, but I was holding out for VWAP. So that's one of the tough things is when do you get out and partial out, and when do you hold for your profit target. So in the past, I was very impatient. I got out too early, and the stock actually did hit my profit target. In this scenario, that didn't happen, and I think several factors came into play. One of which was, if we look at the 5-minute here, the 5-minute SMA was here. There's a profit. There's a level here, and this level, very hard to break through. It was holding this pretty well, bounced off of it 3 times. So now it's a good level of resistance. So I should have taken that into account and taken off some shares here or up here. So lesson learned.